So I just got my new Stator. I'm going to go ahead and replace my daughter's washing machine Stator. She has an LG and it was still in an error code LE. I went over her house and I took the old one off and I tested the Stator and also the hall sensor. Now this does come with a hall sensor, so you don't have to purchase a separate one if you're going to go ahead and get your Stator. I tested them both. They tested bad, so now I'm going to head over to her house and put this on. You can see there's not very many bolts that hold this on. It really took me probably about 10 minutes to take the old one off. And when I put this one on, it's just so easy. It's really simple to do. I just looked online and found some videos and it was pretty simple. But this is a exact replacement. It was packed really well. A bubble wrap, a couple of cardboard boxes in it. But I'm looking forward to go ahead and putting this on and getting her washing machine back in action. So now I'm going to head over to her house and get it installed. So this is the back of the washing machine. This over here on the left is the new one. I've taken off the one on the right. That's the old one. I'm going to go ahead and install it and then see if I can get rid of that LE code. I put everything back together and tested the washing machine. I don't have an LE code, so the part worked perfect. Very happy with it.